Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create a repeat pattern in the app IBIS PAINT X. So here I am going to open a HD size canvas in my IBIS PAINT X app, and I am going to create this repeat pattern in different method, layer by layer. So before everything I am going to change the background color. So I want this pattern to be a little bit in the darker shade, so I'm going for some green color and going on with the darker shade of it. It's almost like almost nearer to the black color. So here we chose the background color, and in the first layer I'm going to draw a detail or the element for my repeat pattern. So usually what we do is we just draw everything on a single layer, like 3 or 4 elements at a time in the same layer, and then we will start repeating using the transform tool. But here, instead of doing that, I'm going to try a different method for our creative purpose. Like you can do with the different style, different art details. So yeah, I tell you how. So here, using the felt tip pen hard brush, I'm going to draw the abstract leaf design. So I'm going to draw 2 leaves here, leaf set here, and I'm going to repeat it on a separate layer. Above that, I'm going to create new layers separately for different flowers, and I'm going to repeat them again and again, like for everything separately. So in this way you can actually adjust the size of the floral designs, make it bigger, or you can also position them in the gaps you want, or you can try something like different with this method. And you can see, while using the bucket tool, make sure you use the current layer option in the target. And I done drawing one leaf. Now I'm going to draw another. So you can also try this method with the different art styles. So here I'm just keeping on with the abstract style. So I'm drawing the abstract leaves here. I'm going to finish drawing. Okay, now again the same way, using the bucket tool, I'm going to fill the shape with the color. Now you can see we have 2 leaves in different direction. Now I'm going to repeat them. So both these leaves are in the single layer. So using this repeat option in the transform, we can make it repeat. Also we can adjust the size of it, making it bigger or smaller. Also if you want to rotate it, but I'm going to keep this in same direction. And I going to use this as a mild texture detail, or you can see mild uh, you know offset color details for the same background color. So I'm just reduce the opacity of that layer. Now in the new layer I'm going to draw the abstract leaf flower. For drawing the flower, I'm going to use this lasso fill tool. And here so this is a abstract style flower, so you can just try different shapes and make it work. Okay, now using the same transform tool, I'm going to repeat it. So switch on the repeat option and then adjust the size, make it smaller, drag it smaller, and you can also try in different angle if you want. So I just kept the angle same. Now I'm going to change the angle little bit, position them little bit, and try different angle like this. Once again, I'm going to draw another set of flower. So this time it's not going to be single flower. I'm going to draw a first flower and then just duplicating that and placing in different position. I'm going to create 3 flowers in a single layer. So for that, again, I'm going to use the lasso tool. And draw the flowers like this. Okay, and if you want to keep only a single flower design, you can try just position them in between the gap you can find. So here something like this, but you can see it looks like a diamond shaped design. So orange color cross at one line, it's like a 2 lines, like one orange line and one red line. So I don't like this, so I want to add little bit of details, so I'm not going to use this. So what I'm going to do is duplicate this layer and reduce the size like this. Again, I'm going to duplicate this layer, place it here. Okay, now I'm going to merge these 3 layers into a single layer, and again I'm going to use the transform tool to repeat it. Now you can see some variation in the way it looks. It doesn't look like a diamond shape detail now, and we can place it here like this. Now it looks good. And if you want to add little more details, you can add, but I'm okay with this. So I'm going to export this. So if you want to export this as a transparent PNG, and if you don't want this green background, then just click on this transparent background in the background option. Instantly the color changes into a transparent one, and you can save this using the save option. In the PNG, make sure you switch on the transparent option and then save it so that you get the transparent option, transparent background. Now switch on the color, and I'm going to save this as JPG, which have the solid color. So here the solid color going to be the green one. Now go to the gallery. Here the pictures, you can find the pattern that you made. It's unique, different. Also we can try different style, or you can work on this method to create something unique and different. Hope you like this tutorial, learn some new technique from me. If so, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Also share with your friends who love making the digital pattern. Thank you. Bye.